Hello and welcome to another video by TreasureDol. This is where we're going to be making a hottie helper, aka a coffee cozy. Alright, it's time to get supplied. You'll need scissors, a heat resistant material, cotton overlay, a sewing machine or needle and thread, ruler, old coffee cup, medium, large or small depending on your preferences. Alright, so here I've got a medium and a large cup. Here we are flipping the material and we're going to pin it so that when we go through the material it's going to stay the same size the whole way through. I'm going to sew the material with a zigzag first. If you own an overlocker, you can use it. It is the same principle but trims the edges for you. Pause the video here, complete the steps and then come right back. Welcome back. I've done my zigzag stitch. Now I'm doing a straight stitch all the way down through the zigzag stitch to help hold it onto it and obviously locking it off. This is probably the most annoying bit, which is trying to feed the helper back through itself so it's the right way round. Once you've gotten it from inside out to outside in, go and iron it, pause the video and come back to us. Pause the video here, complete the steps and then come right back. Alright, it's all ironed. Now I lock this in place with a pin just so it's easier to slide through and I don't have to try and push it all the way. Pause the video here, complete the steps and then come right back. Alright, so just take the ruler out, take the pen out. I create a triangle. It helps to create the edge as a straighter line. Pin that in place. Alright, from here, grab your size required coffee cup, wrap the material around to see how long you'd want it and then cut to size. Once you've got the size right, pull out the insert, cut a little extra off so then you can make it into a folded seam. Attach the two pieces together. I use a pin to secure them. Make sure that you test the size of your cup because you don't want to get it wrong and have to resize it. Pause the video here, complete the steps and then come right back. This is just me sewing the two edges together. I just do it in a rectangle pattern so that I know that the two pieces are going to stay together and not move apart. This part of the hottie helper is actually really fiddly because you're always having to go back and forth making sure that you've locked all the pieces in place. It makes it a little bit harder as well because you're working in such a confined space and sewing two edges together. Pause the video here, complete the steps and then come right back. This is a really good comparison about how the hottie helper slips straight onto your cup, it doesn't slide down, and how easily it is easy to see the difference between your material hottie helper and your everyday plastic or heat retention slip like a piece of cardboard, of how easy they are to get off and on. This is the end of video part 1. There is a second part to this video where I show you how to put an elastic strip in between your two sealed edges. You are more than welcome to stay on this. If not, thanks for coming. Welcome back. This last section of the video is adding a piece of elastic into the hottie helper, allowing it to go on different sizes if you're giving it to a friend or family member and you don't know what coffee they drink, so you can make it smaller. The elastic helps it to expand outwards, allowing them to use whatever cup they desire. Also, this helps if you've got a Kit cup, a plastic plastic cup or a pottery cup, because those do different sizes depending on the make, model and distributor. So allowing it to have the elastic in it really gives it the opportunity to be really diversible between all ranges. TreasureDol signing off. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share us below, and let us know if you want to see anything of our videos.